Love enriches the human spirit, and it's Danny and Bridget's understanding of their love for each other that has them coming together here today and being witnessed by all of us.
Maar my prinses, jy like amazing. Ek joke en ek sê Lloyd het so 'n traantjie gepik toe my sussie afgeloop het. En next moment toe begin ek junk. En dis net die emosies vloei en net niks prikkel nie. Ek het jou baie lief.
All the stars were in bloom. Oh, it felt like a dream, like an old.
I'd just like to make a short announcement for the folk that's not here. Past family. We all know who they are. They mean a lot to us. So, thank you guys.
Am I only one?
Ek het jou ontsetlik lief. En soos ons gesê het, ons sal tot ons grys is joke en mekaar lief hê. Dis al wat ek wil hê.
Sky full of light breaking through. We feel our hearts exploding. Our story unfolding.
I, Donnie, take you, Bridget, to be my lawful wife.
I, Bridget, take you, Donnie, to be my lawful husband,
To have and to hold from this day forward,
for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer,
and in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish,
from this day forward,
until death do us apart.
There's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Run into the open wide where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So, baie dankie dat jy opgedaag het en die hele show gesteel het. Soos net jy kan. Jy lyk weer eens asemrowend en ek is trots om jou man genoem te word.